Platform at 3 a.m. The lights are dim, wheels rolling over silence. I'm caving in, ticket in my palm. Already wearing thin, this train only moves forward. So let it begin. Scenery rushing backwards through the glass. Everything I held too tight, I'm letting pass. Beat in my headphones, 94 and slow. Melody takes over and I let it go. On the road, I don't turn around. Everything I lost is somewhere else now. On the road, the wind knows the sound of a heart that's learning how to not look down. Rails keep stretching past the edge of sight. Stranger by the window, fading into night. Slowly can reflecting from the ceiling light. Every soul in this car has a different fight. I've climbed mountains, I've been swallowed by the rain. Every bright time taught me how to hold the pain. Not every question needs an answer right away, but every step is proof that I'm okay. On the road, I don't turn around. Everything I lost is somewhere else now. On the road, the wind knows the sound of a heart that's learning how to not look down. Slow down, the sunset's still burning. Speed up, the moon is already turning. The train don't wait for anyone at all, but the sky outside the window still belongs to us all. On the road, I don't turn around. Everything I lost is somewhere else now. On the road, the wind knows the sound of a heart that's learning how to not look down. Cascade down. I can feel the current pull me in, losing track of where I've been. Every step a little closer to the edge, standing on a broken ledge. Voices echoing through the haze, counting down the final days. And I'm falling through the static now. Can't remember why or how. Every signal fades to gray. Let the tide take me away. Cascade down, and I'm weightless. Nothing here can save this. Sinking deeper in the sound. Let it pull me underground, where the silence wraps around. Cascade down. drowning in the overflow. Every silence breaks the same. Whisper softly, call my name. Maybe I'm too far to reach. Maybe this is what I need. Let the darkness pull me through. Nothing left for me to lose.
Clock screaming, I just let it ring. Another morning, same old bitter thing. Coffee's cold before I even take a sip. World keeps spinning, I'm just waiting for a grip. But the sun still rises, I don't know why. I guess I'll keep breathing till the day I die.